Can he figure it out? Can you figure out how to put this in? Yeah? Alright, do it.
What do you need? I'm asking.
I don't know. Let's figure it out. You know as much as I know.
Huh.
I don't know, looking at that. Looks like you need to remove this.
This?
Inside liner. Nah! Not that. Watch out.
One eternity later.
This needs to pop out. Open this up. Actually, maybe not. Maybe we can get it from here. I think we can, boys. I think we can do it. Probably a 10mm bolt. Little socket. Little wax removal. What do you think there, buddy? Alright, let's do it. German engineering at its finest. Let's find it. Ready? Hold on. I found it. Yeah, it's not a screw. It's a little plastic block. German engineering at its finest. Never seen that before in my life. Huh. So what was I underscrewing? It's this. Ah, that's for the bumper. I was unscrewing the bumper. Let's screw that back in.
All these things just.
All right, wait. So this just whoop.
Yeah, that twists.
Twists and pull. Here, this squeeze here. This is where it disconnects. Right here, pull. There you go. Hold that.
I don't know. This thing doesn't. Does this thing have the electric?
Ready? So this.
It's got it. It's got it rewired.
Wait.
Huh.
This one's not. You see how that's pulled out? This one's not. Here, now face that to me. We'll plug this shit back in.
Like.
Oh, wow, that felt so good. This is already plugged in. I guess we didn't need to unplug that one, but if you want to save the bulbs, you never know if you need them. Here. So now we're going to plop this shit back in. Nope.
Can you hide that wire somehow?
That little nub's got to go in there, just like so. And it's perfectly put in.
Make sure you put the block back.
Take your German engineering plastic, screw it back in. Just like that. And that is how you replace the rear taillight on an Audi A4 S4 from 2010 to 2017.
Now, to fix that crappy ass wire in my back seat.
And like that, turn the car on. Let me see if this works. Yep, I saw a flash. Yep, it's working.
I don't need to turn it on?
Nah. Yeah, put the reverse lights on, make sure they work. Cold start, baby. Reverse?
Yep.
Alright, blinker light. Alright.
Good?
Good as new, boy.
I'll let her run.
Alright, if you like this video, honestly, please like, please share, please subscribe, leave your comments below. Love to hear your feedback and ask any questions that I can answer. See you next video.
Shine like glitter.